Do you know what process manufacturers demand for? More secure formulation, more innovative offerings, more compliant product. Meeting them all is now easy. Introducing BatchMaster Manufacturing for SAP Business One. It will help process manufacturers by increasing manufacturing efficiencies, streamlining processes from production scheduling to purchasing and logistics. By meeting regulatory compliance, tracking, managing and reporting government mandates and guidelines. By streamlining production and planning, generating automatic replenishment orders and avoiding material shortages, production halts and delays. By supporting bidirectional lot traceability, tracking and tracing items from gate in to gate out, along with expiry dates and shelf life handling and deliveries. So what are you waiting for? Accelerate your growth with BatchMaster Manufacturing for SAP Business One.